Hey everyone, David Bauders. I'm the CEO of Hounds. I'm here today with Heidi Pratt, Director of Learning and Development at DeWalt. Welcome, Heidi.
Thank you.
So tell us, what are you trying to accomplish here at World of Concrete? This is a huge show, lots of great people here. What's your big MO here?
You know, it's one of my favorite weeks of the year. We learn so much as a company and as a training team. We get to interact with the people that are using our tools on a daily basis, and out of all the shows I have the privilege of attending, it's this one. It's my favorite.
So what do you think most people are here trying to accomplish? What's the big purpose for the attendees?
The theme this year, in my mind, is electrification of tools, right? We are batteries through and through, everything from the smallest hand tools to 200-pound plate compactors and rammers and new equipment for us. It's all run on a battery.
Yeah, you don't smell any gas burning here. It's a completely clean site.
It smells better, it's much quieter, it's much easier to start equipment. I mean, all things given, it's incredible where our industry allows us to be right now.
So I think, you know, what you can see at this show is just how much innovation's going on in the market. And I think a big part of learning and development is helping to socialize innovation and help people learn how to unlock the benefits of innovation. Can you talk about what you're doing at DeWalt in that regard?
Absolutely. I mean, you think about it, the team I manage right now are all trainers, and what we do on a daily basis is educate the concrete industry, in this case, on how to use new tools, how to integrate safety and new innovation, technology into making the lives of our trade professionals easier.
I think one of the things we're seeing in the learning and development field is just the movement away from perhaps some of the more structured learning in favor of less structured, what I would call socialized learning. Can you talk a little bit about how social media can help to drip learn or social learn a lot of this innovation?
Yeah, I love the question because myself, I know that I learn differently, right? My attention span is significantly different than when I started, and we only have moments to captivate our audience and to help them understand, in some cases, really complex, new products. I mean, all sorts of different things. So we have to be creative. And in this world, so much of it is hands-on, right? I can sit and point at a tool all day long, or I can put you behind that tool, run a core drill. And that's where I see the change and the connection, really, of people understanding new products.
I think you can see out here there's benefits that you could only get from being here in person, like the ability to actually test the tool, see how it feels, see how it absorbs shock, you know, all of those great things. What's the role, though? How do you connect with all the folks who didn't make it to the trade show? How do you connect after the trade show? I mean, the pace of innovation doesn't wait for the next year's show.
Yep. I am very lucky to work for a very large company. And why I love this show is you don't leave here without me making a connection point. I don't care where you are in this country. I will hook you up with somebody wearing yellow in your home state to come try these products out.
So you have a good field training organization as well.
Yeah, very, very, very blessed. My team alone, 9 trainers cover the whole country, but we have trade specialists. I have over 200 feet on the street that do this on a daily basis. Take our products to our craft professionals and try them out.
How many people do you train on an annual basis?
On an annual basis, it depends if you add all my e-learning in there, it gets pretty high.
What do you think it is? Just ballpark.
Oh, in the thousands, yes.
That's really impressive. We know there's a whole new generation that's coming into the workforce. Obviously, the knowledge transfer challenge is there. Can you talk about how we're connecting differently with this generation?
Absolutely, and I love that challenge because so much of my internal training is based on this newer generation coming in. And it's hard to get people excited sometimes about construction equipment, but things like this where you see where the industry is going and the projection, the career projection you have within the company or within the concrete space within construction, it's just about grabbing them early and letting them see the power of our brand and our solutions.
Well, Heidi, it's been great chatting, catching up with you, and wish you all the best here at the show.
Thank you very much.